ridiculously awesome. And so originally when we had the design, like we decided we wanted to do the ball shooter just because everybody else was doing catapults and it seemed interesting to try something a little bit different. So the first thing we really were thinking about is doing horizontal wheels rather than a top-bottom design. It seemed like it would be easier for a frame. But with the motors and how they react and how powerful they are, we decided that a top-bottom vertical would be better. And the second thing we got to mess with is gear ratios. Since if you just stick the post into the motor and start spinning it, the wheels really don't spin all that fast. So we unfortunately didn't get a picture of it, but we have about 3 to 4 gear setups for each of the motors, so that we got them spinning a heck of a lot faster than they're supposed to be. And finally, our ball pusher is extremely, extremely simplistic, thankfully, where we just basically have it behind all 3 balls and it just pushes each ball into the launcher in succession. Really easy, and it doesn't seem to malfunction very much.
And we were also running out of parts.
And we were running out of parts. That is a good thing, because it took a lot to make the frame and actually make it sturdy enough to handle this. So these are some pictures of Kevin, who's our cheerleader / ball thrower babe.
Oh yeah.
And just some basic designs where you see how we've got the frame, how we've got the engine set up, or motors set up, etc. Cody, Kevin coded this if he wants to talk about it.
Oh yeah, so basically what it is 2 loops for the 2 motors for the wheels, and they just continually spin at 100%. And then in the middle is a loop and a switch, and that's for the ball feeder motor. And when you press it, it starts spinning, and when you release it, it stops spinning, so the motor just doesn't push all 3 balls through at one time.
That's simple.
Oh, and it didn't work if it wasn't looped.
Yeah.
It would stop working after 1 press.
Same with trying to make the motors run continuously.
And then the motors, if it wasn't looped, it would spin 1 rotation and stop.
Despite setting them to unlimited.
Okay.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
It's J-Ray.
Yep. Okay. Any question? Can I see your program again?
Oh, yeah.
And
B and C are the motor spinning the wheels, and
okay.
A is the loader.
Ball pusher. Okay.
And then we also have a separate program to rewind or reverse the pusher to reset it.
Okay. Any other question? Yep. Thank you.